English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is essential for anyone in a new place.
Yes, today we're talking about asking for directions.
Getting lost happens to everyone.
But knowing how to ask for help makes it less scary.
Questions like,
Excuse me, how do I get to the station?
is there a supermarket near here?
Which way is the city center?
Can you show me on the map?
After today, you'll be able to ask for directions confidently.
Let's start with the most important word.
Excuse me.
Always start with excuse me to get someone's attention politely.
Then you can ask your question.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bank?
Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
Repeat. Excuse me, where is the nearest bank? Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
Let's practice getting someone's attention.
Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking for the train station.
Oh, it's just around the corner.
Simple and polite. Now, let's learn common direction words.
Left, right, straight ahead, go straight, turn left, turn right, at the corner, at the traffic light, next to, across from, behind, in front of, between, around the corner, on the left, on the right, at the end of the street, go past, cross the street, take the first left, take the second right.
Repeat. Left, right, straight ahead, turn left, turn right, at the corner, next to, across from, behind, between, around the corner, on the left, at the end of the street, go past, cross the street, take the first left.
Now, let's learn how to ask where something is.
Where is the...
Where can I find?
Is there a near here?
Do you know where the is?
Repeat. Where is the station? Where can I find a pharmacy? Is there a supermarket near here? Do you know where the museum is? Let's practice asking for a specific place.
Excuse me, where is the nearest post office?
It's on Main Street, next to the bank.
Is it far from here?
No, about a 5-minute walk. Good question. Now, let's talk about asking how to get somewhere.
How do I get to?
What's the best way to get to?
Can you tell me how to get to?
Which bus goes to?
Repeat. How do I get to the airport? What's the best way to get to the city center? Can you tell me how to get to the station? Which bus goes to the museum?
The person might answer with directions.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Take the number 5 bus and get off at the 3rd stop.
It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Repeat. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. Take the number 5 bus and get off at the 3rd stop. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Let's practice asking how to get somewhere.
Excuse me, how do I get to the Central Library?
Go straight down this street until you see a big park. The library is across from the park.
So, straight down the street, then across from the park?
Exactly. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. Good directions. Now, let's talk about asking about distance.
Is it far?
How far is it?
Is it walking distance?
Can I walk there?
How long does it take on foot?
Repeat. Is it far? How far is it? Is it walking distance? Can I walk there? How long does it take on foot?
Answers you might hear.
It's about 10 minutes on foot.
It's too far to walk. You should take a bus.
It's just around the corner, very close.
It's about 2 miles from here.
Repeat. It's about 10 minutes on foot. It's too far to walk. You should take a bus. It's just around the corner, very close. It's about 2 miles from here. Let's practice asking about distance.
Excuse me, is the museum far from here?
No, it's about a 15-minute walk. Just go straight and you'll see it.
Great, I can walk that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy the museum. Walking is nice when it's close. Now let's talk about asking for landmarks.
Sometimes people give directions using landmarks.
A landmark is something easy to see. A big building, a park, a statue.
You can ask,
What will I see along the way?
what will I see along the way?
Is there a landmark near it?
Is there a landmark near it?
What does it look like?
What does it look like?
Repeat. What will I see along the way?
What will I see along the way?
Is there a landmark near it?
Is there a landmark near it?
What does it look like?
What does it look like?
The person might say,
You'll see a big red church. The restaurant is next to it.
It's across from the park with the fountain.
You can't miss it. There's a giant clock outside.
Repeat. You'll see a big red church. The restaurant is next to it. It's across from the park with the fountain. You can't miss it. There's a giant clock outside.
Let's practice using landmarks.
Excuse me, where is the Italian restaurant?
Do you know the big supermarket on Main Street?
Yes, I passed it earlier.
It's right across from that supermarket. You'll see a red awning.
Perfect. Thank you. Landmarks make directions easier. Now let's talk about asking for help with a map.
If you have a map, you can ask someone to show you.
Can you show me on the map?
Where are we right now?
Can you point to where we are?
How do I get from here to here?
Repeat. Can you show me on the map?
Can you show me on the map?
Where are we right now?
Where are we right now?
Can you point to where we are?
Can you point to where we are?
How do I get from here to here?
How do I get from here to here?
The person might say,
We're here, right at this intersection.
You need to go this way, then turn here.
See this park? Your hotel is just past it.
Repeat. We're here, right at this intersection. You need to go this way, then turn here. See this park? Your hotel is just past it.
Let's practice with a map.
Excuse me, can you help me with this map?
Of course. Where are you trying to go?
The art museum. I think it's around here somewhere.
Let me see. We're here right now. You need to go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The museum is on your right.
Ah, I see it now. Thank you. Maps are very helpful. Now let's talk about what to do if you don't understand.
Sometimes directions can be confusing.
It's okay to ask again.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Could you say that more slowly?
I didn't catch that. Did you say left or right?
Can you show me on the map?
Repeat. I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Could you say that more slowly?
I didn't catch that. Did you say left or right?
Can you show me on the map? The person will usually be happy to help.
They might say,
Of course, let me explain again.
I'm sorry, I'll speak more slowly.
Left, not right, my mistake. Repeat. Of course, let me explain again.
I'm sorry, I'll speak more slowly.
Left, not right, my mistake. Let's practice asking for clarification.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic light.
I'm sorry, did you say turn left or right?
Left. Turn left at the traffic light.
And then what?
The bank will be on your right next to the coffee shop.
Thank you for repeating that. Always ask if you're not sure. Now let's learn some important vocabulary for directions.
Street, road, avenue, lane, drive, way, block, corner, intersection, traffic light, crosswalk, sidewalk, pedestrian, bridge, tunnel, highway, freeway, exit, entrance, roundabout, one-way street, dead end, Map, GPS, compass, north, south, east, west.
Repeat. Street, road, avenue, block, corner, intersection, traffic light, crosswalk, sidewalk, bridge, highway, exit, roundabout, one-way street, dead end, map, north, south, east, west.
Great vocabulary.
These words will help you understand directions. Now, let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. Where is bank?
Missing article.
Correct. Where is the bank?
Mistake number 2. How I get to station.
Missing verb and article.
Correct. How do I get to the station?
Mistake number 3. I look for museum.
Wrong tense and missing article.
Correct. I'm looking for the museum.
Mistake number 4. Turn to left.
Wrong preposition. Correct. Turn left. Let's practice. Where is the bank? How do I get to the station? I'm looking for the museum. Turn left at the traffic light.
Perfect. Now, here are some idioms about directions and finding things.
To be on the right track.
This means to be doing something correctly.
Example, you're on the right track with that project. Keep going.
To go around in circles.
This means to not make progress, to be lost.
Example, I've been going around in circles for an hour. I can't find the place.
To be just around the corner.
This means to be very close, both physically and in time.
Example, the hotel is just around the corner. Your birthday is just around the corner.
To be all over the map.
This means to be disorganized or inconsistent.
Example, his ideas were all over the map. He couldn't focus.
To put someone on the right path.
This means to give someone good advice or direction.
Example, my mentor put me on the right path for my career.
Repeat, on the right track. Go around in circles. Just around the corner. All over the map. Put someone on the right path.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned how to start politely.
Excuse me.
We learned common direction words.
Left, right, straight, turn, go.
We learned how to ask where things are.
Where is the station?
We learned how to ask how to get somewhere.
How do I get to the museum?
We learned about asking about distance.
Is it far? Can I walk?
We learned about using landmarks.
It's across from the park.
We learned how to use a map.
Can you show me on the map?
We learned what to do if we don't understand.
Can you repeat that, please?
We learned important direction vocabulary.
Street, block, traffic light, intersection.
We fixed common mistakes.
And we learned some idioms.
That's everything you need for asking for directions.
Here's your challenge for today.
Imagine you're lost in a new city.
Practice asking for directions out loud.
Excuse me, where's the nearest subway station?
How do I get to the city center?
Is it far from here?
Practice until it feels natural.
Now, go to the comments.
Tell us about a time you asked for directions.
Where were you? Was the person helpful?
For example, I was lost in Tokyo once, and a kind old man walked me all the way to my hotel.
That's so nice.
Or, I asked for directions in Paris, but I couldn't understand the accent. I had to ask again.
It happens to everyone.
Share your stories with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time,
Keep practicing
keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.